Are you sure about that?
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you me doing my nails using baking soda. I saw this on YouTube and I was like, I gotta try it because it looks so easy, and I haven't got my nails in a long time because of quarantine. So what you need is your nails. You can use nail tips or regular nails that go over your whole finger, and then you're going to need some baking soda. So you're gonna need something to put your baking soda in. So you could just use a bowl or whatever, but I'm using these beauty blender molds. I recently just got some new beauty blenders, and I'm like, these molds seem perfect to put your nail in and dip it and stuff. So that's why I was using this. I thought it was kind of like interesting instead of just throwing them away. And when you pour in this, you should not pour a lot like I did, because it kind of gets messy. So make sure you put something down if you don't want to get that everywhere. But yeah, don't fill it all the way up because you're not going to use all of the baking soda that you see me use. But yeah. Also, don't mind that little skin right there. I tend to, when I get I used to be when I was nervous, but it's a habit now that I scrape the side of my thumb. That's just what I do. So if you see that throughout the video, sorry. It's just, I didn't want to wait for it to heal because I wanted my nails done. But yeah, sorry you had to see that. So now you're going to apply a thin layer of glue on your nail, and then you're going to dip it into the baking soda. This helps the nail become stronger because you usually know when you get a fake nail and you just have it kind of bends, and this really just makes it stronger. So don't forget to put on your sides and your tips. You're supposed to put it all over, but I personally forgot to put it on my tips, and that's kind of what helps it be sturdy. So what you're going to do is keep filling around any spots that don't have a lot of baking soda. Just add more glue and then dip. And be careful where you aim this because you don't want to get it on your skin, because the glue is making the baking soda stick, and peeling that off probably will be uncomfortable or painful. So try to aim it. Don't be rushing. Just take your time, and yeah. Now you're going to need to file these bad boys down. You're going to need to make these smooth. So you're going to have to really take your time, turn on the show, a movie, whatever, and really get to filing it. You need to make this flat. Because the baking soda made it really lumpy and all that. So make sure you have a really good file. Before you do this, probably go out and get you a new file because, this needs the work. But it's going to turn out pretty it's worth it, So, yeah. Now I noticed on the camera it kind of looked funny, like it wasn't fouled enough. But when I tell you, when you rub your hand on this, it looks good. It's just the cloudiness of the baking soda underneath kind of made it look as if it wasn't fouled. But I tell you, if you felt this, it was smooth. So this part is optional. You do not have to add a clear top coat on top, but I thought this helped smooth it out a little more and to give it a nice finish when I put my color on top. So yeah, you can do this or you can't. It's really up to you. This is just what I did. So I'm pretty sure you noticed that this isn't the same color as the teaser in the beginning, and that is because this was the first original look. I did not like how this dried, so I decided to just take it off. It's because that color was not very strong. It was weak, and I had to keep adding coats and coats on top of it to make it pretty. So yeah, you're gonna see what this is like when it's done, but just to let you know, I did not keep that. But you know, I thought to just keep this in because, you know, it's still kind of satisfying to see somebody paint their nails. So yeah. This is how it turned out, and it turned out so pretty at the end. Comment down below which one you actually like, which look. I like this one better than the yellow, but let me know what you think down below.